Hi guys, and welcome to your second Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be starting some programming. And the first thing that most programmers program is a simple HelloWorld program, and it just prints out Hello World. And I'll be doing something a little bit different today, so let's get started. Go ahead and click on New Class on BlueJ. And we're gonna call the class Hello World, no spaces, and double click on the Hello World class. Okay. Now just select all of this and delete it off. We're gonna start from scratch. The first thing that we have to do, and as you might have seen in my last tutorial, is the public class and then something here. This something is always the file name that you have put, like it says Hello World here. That's what you will always want to put here. I'm not going to go into too much detail about all of this, but the second thing you need to do is type in public static void main, and then in parentheses say string, and then the square brackets, space, args, which stands for arguments, a curly bracket, enter, press enter again, put a closing curly bracket, press enter, and put another curly closing bracket. So most of this is going to be in every single program that we do for a while. And over here is just going to be the class name, which is what your file is. You know, Hello World. It has to be exactly the same. And your code always goes in here. Just as a reminder. So you always want to make sure to save. So I'm just going to hit Control S and save it. Now the first thing we're going to do is, as I said, the Hello World stuff. So all the code is going to go between this bracket and this bracket. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And the first thing that we need to do is learn this little command here. It's called System.out.println. What this basically does is it prints whatever you put in these two regular brackets. These are the ones that you press shift and then 9 or 0. And then in quotation marks, you want to go ahead and put in whatever you want to put. So first, let's just do a simple little Hello World program. Make sure to save it and click on compile, and once it says no syntax errors, we're going to minimize it, right click the Hello World class and click on void main, and it says Hello World, as you can see here. Now let's go ahead and do something a bit more fun. So what I'm going to do right now is pause the video and go ahead and make a little drawing almost that says that has hot Java in a cup and the steam is Hello World. So I think maybe now that you know how to print out something onto the screen, you should pause the video here too and see if you can do what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna pause the video, and next is gonna be, you're gonna see the hot Java code. Okay, so this is the code I came up with, and it will be in the comments below, so you can just copy and paste it and go ahead and compare to the way yours came out. And you can leave me a video response so I can see how yours came out. So go ahead and I'm going to click on compile and then right click and void main. Okay, and this is the way mine came out. Another thing that I think I forgot to mention before was pretty much at the end of every code line that you're gonna put, you have to tell Java that you ended this command by putting a little semicolon right here at the end of each one of the lines. If you forget that, so say I didn't put it there, and I press compile, BlueJ pretty much tells you what the error is. See, it says semicolon expected, and it highlights which line. So you just put a semicolon there, save it, and that's it for the first tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're going to be making almost a real program, and it's going to actually do something. So be sure to come back and check that out. See you next time.